and the insurance company say, okay, for a specific loss of a specific something, insure me, protect me against this thing. And a two-way thing. They say, okay, when I pay I'll pay my premium, and when something happen, you go protect me.
Okay.
So that basically now, with an insurance be. So agreements between a person and insurance company say upon a specific loss, or something happen, but it must be specific. You protect me when the occurrence, when that specific thing happens. But you must also must have paid something, which they call premiums. Chief asked one question last week. He said, what thing will happen if I no pay my premium, and then that specific loss come happen? The thing we say, we say insurance na agreement. I get my part, you two you get your part. And Chief also take us on the contract last week.
The one with the area, which one?
No, we say within the contract. Contract now say you must have some things fulfilled. You say there must be offer or acceptance. There must be consideration. It is part. So like we say, insurance too now a contract, like an agreement. So it is two of us will go do something. You do something for me. I'll do something for you. So the thing for my own part, we say I go make payments. So that if something happen, you go protect me. So chief question, they say, what will happen if I don't make payments? And that occurrence happen. On the face of it, basically, my part is they say, I go pay so that you go protect me. So if I don't pay, you no go get anything. That's not the thing. Although for most of these insurance companies, they have waiting, they give them like cover period. Say, okay, if for instance your insurance, it be from today na 11, say maybe 11th March 2000 and let's say we started last year 2018. You know, usually now for 1 year, now annual. So it go expire for like today. Some of them, or some of the things where we they insure, they get cover. Say, okay, maybe after that time, we will give you 14 days. Or we will give you 7 days for you to come and pay. So that period where you cover you, if anything also happen within that period, you know, you don't expire. But you no pay. Maybe you forget or something, you no pay. But that cover period, they go say, okay, we still give you, say, still pay within that period. Maybe na 7 days, maybe na 14 days, maybe na 21 days or 1 month. If you then don't pay
within that period,
and anything happened, it means you don't use them. You don't forfeit them.
Really?
Because you know na agreements, na contracts. I'll pay you a sum. And then when that thing happen, I go protect you. So that's now one of the reasons, say, sometimes when things happen, I may say, we go insurance company, you know, pay us. You know, it is that terms and conditions. You know, they go give you paper, which
read and
you go read, and then you go sign. Once you don't sign, you don't say, okay, I don't accept your terms. No, your terms, I don't accept them. So I go pay everything where you did there. You don't say that I don't agree. I go pay. You understand? So if something now happen, that's now one of the reasons, because we get another viewer last week where he asked us, they compare Nigeria, that when he travel, he friends
finish
in US. The thing we say, for people where they for there, they get insurance. It is like something they will do. Everything.
They can insure ring. How much more?
So for them, insurance is a way of life.
Yes, it's a way of life for them.
So they know, they also understand. Say, I must do this. In fact, some of them, they just put them on automatic. Just remove them. Once I pay myself, just remove them. Because they understand, say, look, if I don't pay this premium, anything that happen, you know, go cover me. But for here, most people, they don't even want to do insurance. When they hear insurance, they say, you they wish me bad. Tell somebody, say now, okay, come do life insurance. They say, you come, they wish me bad. Am I dying? Hey, you they do me bad. What you they talk about? You know, we don't a lot of people don't really have an understanding
of what it is,
of what insurance they. So if you tell them go and insure, say, waiting. Like if you tell people doing life insurance, they won't make I die. But life insurance don't waka pass. It's only when you die. You know, because what we had before, we say, if you do life insurance, it will only mature upon death of that person. But now, insurance don't upgrade. Say, okay, even if you know die,
why you there alive?
I can still enjoy that money where I don't put. So these are some of the things. Say people don't get information. They don't understand. Say, this not the benefit where they for me for inside this thing. And thank God, say, WAP, they do this.
Kudos to.
Yeah, so WAP they do to inform people.
Even we say all of these things, like I was in the dark. If not, if for no that experience what I get, so it's
no go fit happen to you. So that not the thing. And somebody talk last time say anybody they where they cover, where they protect these insurance companies. And we have a regulatory body where we call NICOM, like I say last time. They put now them they regulate, just like bank they regulatory body, CBN and all that they monitor them. Insurance companies too get regulatory body which set up by constitution. Say okay, they regulate the insurance companies. So if you have any issue or you want to know more, just go to their
fake? Because now we get so many insurances around.
So just go on, log on online, make you check them for NICOM website. So you check out. It is very comprehensive. You have the information there. If you have any problem, you're having problem with your insurance company, you know, you are free to go there.
And go sanction anybody we no do well as far as.
Is it possible for an insurance company to crash?
They are also covered. They are also insured.
Because
just like banks are insured. They are also insured. Insurance companies too.
So even if they crash, who pays?
They also are covered.
Okay.
Yes, they are also covered. I think now
still part of the fear when some people they get, but they'll be like, okay, fine. If I start to put money under this set of people now, you never can tell what the future holds for them. So
they are also
covered.
They are also covered as well.
Our banks are now covered.
They are insured.
So they are also insured.
They are also insured as well.
So if anything happens, there is somewhere else you can go to.
You can get money. Yes. So they are also insured. So that's not the thing where we want to say. So if another thing where we want to bring, we say, okay, how do I now process? How do I get, if something happen, because we have said that we are insuring, protecting against a specific loss. So if something happen, how I go collect my something, collect the benefits, or collect the thing where something happen. So once something happen, you know, maybe you insure for your car, like waiting that thing happen. The maximum people go do, maybe somebody hits your car, is just you just want to know, say this person gets insurance. That's not the thing. And that's not the thing. So all the grammar where people they talk for road, they fight, that one no necessary. So once that thing happen, or maybe you insure the things in your house, and then fire happen or something. So all you just need to do is just you take the pictures, you do whatever you need to do, and then you make a claim. You write to the insurance company, say, look, so and so don't happen. So once you tell them, you notify them, you let them know, say, this thing don't happen, so I want you to come and give me my claim, my benefits. So what those people go do, they say, okay, once they get them, they too go come respond to you. Say, okay, they will investigate. They will want to know, say, truly, this one a genuine loss, a genuine case, yes. So if the house something, they will come there, they won't come see. They will do their own investigation. Because now you tell us that something don't happen, we want to be sure. Because we have seen a lot of people, well, I won't say a lot in Nigeria, but, outside, people use this insurance to collect money. They use it as a means of fraud, to defraud. So insurance company want to be sure. So they will also carry out their own investigation to ensure, say, this thing.
So not say they automatic.
They will want to verify your claim. For insurance company, they get a department where they call claims. They will just verify to ensure, say, this thing not true. So if you say your car too, something, they want to see, say, not true, say something happened.
Okay, but is there ever a time where we say they go on run an estimate? Now, this is what I'm saying. if na the yearly one you dey do and maybe you just join, you just done for a year, and God forbid, like wetin example wey you just give na say fire be catch the house and everything got burnt. Obviously it depends on how much wey you dey pay. Now if they run their estimates and they come find out say the amount wey you get with them e no reach, or the cost of the damages pass how much you get with them, in that kind of situation, what do they do?
Okay, this na the thing. If for instance now I want insure this, maybe this na my house, this na the things where they there. When you want to do the insurance, they will come to come and do. Yes, they will come. Okay. To say, okay, what are the things where you want insure? Okay, 3 cups. Okay. They will write down 3 cups. Okay. Oh. They will put the amount. Okay.
So it's not like they will just say, okay, oh, this whole thing, just say, okay, everything.
No. They will list them. They will list them. So when they list them, you will know. You go sign, say, this not the thing. No. You go agree. Okay. So you know the total amount. Or maybe for your shop, you understand? You have your goods. They will list everything out, say, this not the thing. If not building, they go do the estimates. How much this house?
Assumption.
No be assumption. They will say this house, how much it costs. If na car, you get your receipt where you use buy the car. They go see the car, the receipts. Say, okay, this car now maybe 1.2 million or 5 million. So it is on that thing they will work on. You understand? So based on, say, okay, maybe everything for here now 500,000 now. So you know, say, okay, now 500,000. So now the premium for 500,000 you go pay. But if you now say that I want more, apart from fire, maybe I want something more. They go tell you, okay, what do you want? They go say, okay, this one we feel covered. If we feel covered, they go. That's not the reason why premium, how much you they pay, not be the same how much you they pay. You know, we talk last week, say for car. Now that value they use. Now that value of that item you want to. Yes. For even for life, now the same thing. They go ask you.
Do you have health challenges?
They go ask you. So if that's why you go see, say, okay, maybe 2 people they do the same kind of life insurance. The age also matter. The age matter. If you have any crook, and that is why they tell you, say, make you disclose. Be sure.
Tell them. Policy, sincerity, and
yes, that ensure say, waiting you they disclose now true, because if they find out say lie they there, that may be
you forfeit that.
So that's not the reason why sometimes they don't give me, you know, maybe that's not part of it, not talk the truth. So if somebody gets sickness, they do life insurance. You know, we don't talk last week, say life insurance can also include you to say that I want to have some medical things being taken care of, so that in the event, not be only there to say maybe I won't have operation, or say maybe I won't do something. Please include them for my life insurance policy. So that person money now go differ, or the person say, okay, look, in case I die or something happen, I want you to take care of my funeral, something. So they go ask you, okay, the funeral where you something, what kind what's in the clam, coffin you want use, what kind where you want make me bury you. You know, all those things they go do and they go take into consideration when they determine the premium where you go pay. So that's not the thing, and that's not the reason why that payment of premium is very important. Ben. So maybe for something of 3 million, a coverage of 3 million or 5 million, it could be just 30,000 you they pay for that year.
Just 30.
It can be 30, it can be 40,000, depending on the kind of. But that
very
is your
affordable.
premium. That is it. So you know, insurance is a pool of different people coming together. So your 15,000
chief like that they gather
coming together. So in the event that something happens,
you have enough
we'll
to cover.
have enough to cover. And the probability of something even they happen, it is very, very slim. If you have 1,000 people, how many people house go burn or business go burn out of the 1,000?
Everybody go one prevent and say,
nobody wants to die. In as much as you want to enjoy your life, nobody still wants to die.
That's not the thing. So that's not, you know, the benefits for this insurance. So ensure that once you do this insurance, something they'll give you what they call insurance certificate. Yes. So for there you go see all your terms, your policy. You see the date. You see everything. So ensure say they pay your premium as at when due. Because that's not the major factor where they cost people make them need to collect something. You know, some people, by the time they look at their, they say, this thing even don't expire, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months. You know, so that's not the thing. So it not be say insurance don't they work in Nigeria. Insurance they work in Nigeria. It's just that people ignorance. They don't know. They don't know the step. They don't know what thing they want to do. That's not the thing. So insurance na very, very good something. So the next thing where I want to look at be say who insurance
cover
day for who should have insurance. So the basic thing be say it depends on your need per time. You know, for instance, if you don't get car, you don't need car insurance. But the moment where you get car,
you have to insure.
You must insure the something. Okay. For instance, somebody where you just be tenant, you don't
never
need
get
home.
But if you insure things where they inside the room.
Yes, insure. In fact, insure the things where they inside the room, especially if you have so many things. You know, insurance.
Some people have foreign shares, imported shares. We be seeing our expensive ones inside flats.
So all they just do is say they will just come, take the value, and tell you, okay, this is not the amount where you go pay. You know, some people they think say, if I want to insurance, that means it's the amount of that thing I go pay. Not be the amount. Now just a premium. It's just a part, a value of that thing where you go pay. That's not the thing. So if you know, but by the time you become landlord, you know, your needs don't change.
You don't increase.
So you too, you go change them. Young people, you say, do I need to do life insurance? Well, now that we say that life insurance is not only, you know, they only mature, you know, when somebody dies.
So even while you're there alive,
you can still
benefit from it. And some people will even say, like, I want to have my insurance for life attached to be also have a form of savings. So that way they are also saving for yourself. You can say, okay, I want it
one stone to kill
two birds. So you can also have that one. You can also do that one. So whether you are a young person, but anybody where you get beneficiary, anybody where you get spouse, anybody where you get children, anybody where you get somebody where they depend upon in fact, they're very, very important to do them. One, because in case of anything happens, the family will be protected financially. And then two.
Okay, but you get any age restriction? This is what I'm saying. Don't say these days now outside fasting at just stage we don't get people of 16, 15, they don't make like small change. So for a 16-year-old child now, we or pikin, we don't they also and he don't they make some small change. That pikin say, if he say, I want insure.
Yes, if he say, yes, he want
even
insure.
if he don't get any responsibility apart from himself.
Yes, he can, like we say, if he say, okay, I want to use this thing as a form of investment for myself. And then that child where they hustle, maybe, I don't know, maybe they use a part, maybe they sing. Or maybe they do craft, or they use, if he say, okay, now that I don't have this money, I want maybe insure for disability, that in case something happens. But one good thing where you should do is say if you use them as a form of, especially if they make money, use it as a form of investment for yourself. But ordinarily, a 16-year-old child that does not need an insurance. Or you people who have children, they say they are babies, that it's not necessary. You know, necessary, just except you want to say, okay, for this child, I won't have educational insurance for RAM or something like that. Something like that. But for life insurance for baby, you know, makes sense like that.
Because just begin life.
So why they insure that? Nobody say they go come kidnap him and then they will ask, you know, that one, necessary for children. So it depends on your need per time. We determine what you go do insurance for. You understand? So
okay, Chief, you go help with the lines. May not be like saying I just Chief for myself, then they ask all the questions. The show now for una gong where they watch us from now. So in case you get any question where you go like ask,
feel free.
Yes, just feel free to call the numbers where they on your screen. I did very sure say Barista is gallantly ready. She's waiting for you guys to talk. So just call the numbers, but help us reduce your TV volume.
Okay. So I want to quickly look at some of the benefits. We don't talk here and there, but like I list them, some of the benefits where insurance they do. One thing they say, they return us, Chief used that language once. They say to return us
to the
original state. So, when, for instance, fire happened, wetin you do, we say it go return you to how you did before that fire happen or something, or maybe car, get accident. You want repair them, you want panel beat, you want make them paint that something.
Come out new and
make
fresh.
New. So that's not the thing where insurance they do.
But ma, I want to ask you one question. If insurance they get dates now, say if person no pay in premiums to by this time, you forfeit. What if damage happen too? If the person house is born, say we self we dey get a specific month we go give them. Say within so month you must repair. We have Michael. Okay. I don't know. Maybe
Michael from Lagos. Hello, Michael.
Good morning, Barrister.
Good morning, sir.
First time caller.
Woo! Thank you for calling.
Thank you very much. Well, yes, I can hear you.
Please go on.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Michael. Please go on.
Okay. Please, Barrister, the TY1 this insurance thing now. I actually had my one experience. I was working in a factory some years back.
Okay.
When my hand entered into the roller, sustained some injury, we were insured in the company. At the end of the day, so many papers were signed, some forms were filled. This thing continued going for over 4 months. At the end of the day, the next form they brought was another one that now they asked whether I have permanent deformity.
Okay.
After that period of hair, by then the healing has continued, which I don't wish to have permanent deformity.
Okay.
And that was just the end of whatever claim that I had to get from them. That is on that. I want to ask again, if I have a vehicle now and I insure the vehicle, since it's a game of probability, at the end of the day, I continue paying my premium, and if the vehicle gets old and nothing happens, has the insurance company anything to give me back, at least for the contribution I made so far?
Really shaking my head. That's more like a no.
Yes, again, now, since if at the end of if something happened, they say, but if nothing happened, I've made so much contribution to them.
Abi?
So what will they do? I need to say, rub me on the chest and say, thank you, brother, for the contribution.
Thank you so much, Michael. She will answer you now, so just keep watching.
Mr. Michael.
Thank you so much.
His first question.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I think his first question is still
Similar.
similar.
Yes.
So maybe just answer them together. So if person insures something and unforeseen incident happen, is there a specific day or month that the insurance company too are bound to take care of that loss? Since I'm bound to pay premium within particular date.
Yes. Okay, let me start with your own question. Is there a particular time frame? Yes, there is particular time frame. But probably in the course of their investigation, and then you're not agreed. Because one thing I must say is that we must always have our documents for place. Intact. Because most people, when something happens, they go say, okay, bring your certificates, you know if you'd find them. Bring the receipts, you know if you'd find them. Bring this one. So you people they go back and forth. But so I want to say at this point, make you have everything, your documentation, everything. You have everything. Everything. So that if anything happen like that, you go just carry them. Because time frame where they supposed answer. But so many things they enter. Say maybe they say this one, you say I know, I agree, something like that. Maybe get something to support your claim, something we don't say, get them. So they go wait for you until you also.
And when you submit, they will start their own.
They will start to check and balance too.
When you submit, that they too go say, okay, fine. make we also start our own investigation.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
That na that one. But if, for instance, maybe something happen, maybe your house is a leak. Okay, they won't come check them and everything. Really, you might say, there's no time. All my property go spoil. You inform them. Say, look, this thing, na so. I want to repair this thing.
Time bound.
If they don't, I want to come repair this thing. You inform them. I want to repair this thing by myself. So that you go refund me for that money where I don't pay.
But they still need to see it before you repair.
Yes, you need to see, or you take pictures or something. You must have proof, evidence. Say, this not the thing. And let it be on record. And they tell people, especially when they do all this kind of thing, let it be on record. Let it be documented. You send a mail to them, something. Keep trail, do everything. Say, on the so, I send something to you, so that you yourself exonerate yourself. Say, now you delay. This thing, you go don't spoil my bidding. Maybe in a rainy season, you know, quickly won't come. I go ahead, I come do them. You will refund me my money. You know, that kind of thing. So now, both ways. Sometimes the something may be from their side. You know, sometimes, God help us for some of these people where they employ. Somebody might just be there, not really being active, until maybe when you go there and say, like, you people are not responding, and then you escalate it. You see them come running and everything. But not usually time day frame say within so and so period you suppose do this thing. And that's not the reason why it good well make you they read and understand. So nobody go do badwe or do
for you
mago for you. That's not the thing. For Mr. I don't know if
Michael.
Mr. Michael, the disability insurance. I don't know why they not pay you, but you say they start the process. They say, okay, fill this one, fill that one. They want to know whether it's permanent injury or something. Yes, because especially if they're factory,
I said it was
they supposed to do disability insurance for the people where they work for them.
Okay.
So that in the event,
they insured them. Say, but later when they were supposed to pay him, they now ask him, does he have a permanent disability?
That's not the way they go.
Say no.
That's not they go. Because for this disability, you have what they say permanent disability, and you have temporary disability as well.
Okay.
So this one, I know once indicts the factory, but probably not the factory fault. The
people where they in charge.
They in charge. They the fault. Because you see they say these people even come and they say, I won't do this.
And judging by what you don't teach us, we don't know the kind of insurance
God bless you. I was almost saying that.
It might be the
temporary
disability they do for them.
Or
it
could be.
So for the insurance
but the good
company
thing
is
he say you know be permanent, not temporary. Most of them will even do temporary. Because it costs them less
to do.
So that's why the company ask, is it permanent?
Not be company ask with an insurance.
That's why that is the insurance company I'm talking about now. That's why
and he didn't want. I think he didn't want to lie.
He wouldn't even lie because that's the way in finger no chop off.
They will check. They will check.
So
to verify.
It boils down to the fact that I think with the program now with Mama Monica, you said we don't know the truth. Say mostly no be these insurance companies.
Yes, no be
maybe
insurance
now your company do.
But do we have right to like tell our company say we won't see the type of insurance we now?
Well,
because but at least you will know.
You will know. But for people where they do for factory, you know now your if na hand they use, if na body parts. So if you know insure, it will affect you.
Especially those working with machine.
But exactly, especially people where they work for machine. So it dey important, say make you know, say as they go this factory, you get something where it could cover me.
Or you talk if person.
Or you ask.
Because when you ask, they will know say this one you do.
You know, say okay, this thing I suppose get insurance where you could cover me. So for this person, I go one believe say. Na the company. Because we don't see say the insurance either they no pay the premium or either in the cost where they do them they come see say
the whole premium
they no pay premium or something. That's not the reason. But Mr. Michael never tell us why they not pay. Or maybe he himself, he don't even, since he don't feel fine, he just feels, okay, I don't even need them again. But what about the medical treatment where you take?
The money where you don't take treat yourself.
Maybe now the
company
also pay them.
Yes.
So if the company pay the medical bill, the company no go give them the money again. They go take them
from the insurance
for insurance to offset the one where they don't do.
Okay.
Then for this,
Oh, sorry. There's another.
There's another question where it say if nothing happened to me during that period, they pay you. Thank you, Mr. Michael. The probability we say if something happened, say if something happened, we go bring you back to the original position. But if something no happen for car insurance,
Monica, you don't supposed to be you. You don't supposed to be. They're supposed to give us our money back.
Make I ask you, if they give all of us back our money, how, if something happened to one person, how they go fund them?
Okay, why me I know the reason and say something if no happen, make myself no pay? Why would they charge me if I don't pay? And then I don't get to charge them when they don't give my money when I need it.
It's the offer and acceptance.
It's offer and acceptance. It's an agreement.
They offer you.
The balance they say you go pay me 15,000 per year. And then if your car of something damage of 1 million, I go refund it.
So at times too, they might be on
that narrates.
And obviously not be only my own bukata and I go there and there. So if they are not paying me, they are paying others.
They are paying other people. So that's not the thing.
Another thing I would like to ask, because of the viewers we did there.
Okay.
In fairness to our viewers, or some people too, where they do insurance, or where you want to do, are you saying that it's all insurance companies that are sincere, and are you trying to say that they are all reliable, or there are sometimes too they fall short in their duty?
Yes, that's not the reason why we have a monitoring body
called
NICOM.
Okay.
National Insurance Commission.
Okay.
You understand? They are the regulatory body. We go ensure say these people they fulfill, they supervise them, they regulate them, they control them. And if the insured to get problem, you fit go to them and say, look, these people, maybe they supposed to do this thing. They don't do them. I don't fulfill my own part of the agreement. Them no fulfill.
So now can get Instagram.
They have a site. I think the site, I wrote it somewhere. I think it's www.nicom.gov.nigeria.ng. But once you just even go online and you Google NICOM website,
sure they will bring them.
So that person
You
will
go
know
bring them. So you
where
won't
we
make
go report.
complaint.
So even if an insurance company come now, you feel like check if they registered or not before you say you won't bank.
Mr. Michael, where they was us. If it's still
that particular insurance company safe, you can see
you will hear the truth.
That's
just
the thing.
If they are the company or your own company.
Even before he escalate them, if you even ask the company, but he just said no. If the company,
he just gave her like, and I don't care.
If the company, maybe the company take him to hospital, do everything. That's not the way the company, Now
the company go collect.
Now him go collect. No be him go collect.
Since I then pay the bills.
You understand? It is just helping. That thing just they help the organization. You understand? Now only if maybe na permanent disability, they go come pay them. Because now you no get form of income again, because now your hand they use make money. So that I guess that's not the reason why they ask them say na permanent or temporary. Because if not the permanent, that means go. The reason why we employ you for this place, we say make you the package thing. Now you know if you package thing.
Well, hand don't go.
Don't go. So we may have to say that, look, thank you. We can't take you again. But take this one. So
amount.
I guess that's the reason why they ask them, say, now permanent or temporary. So if not permanent, they will just give them money.
Let's take Philip from Lagos. Hello, Philip.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Thank you so much for calling. You get a question, Ba?
Yes, I get a question.
Please go on.
So the question about this insurance of things.
Okay.
You people know that Nigeria will never mature for this insurance of things.
Yes.
Because once something happens, you see that As that time, you have been paying fees, but when something just happens, they'll say, that time they will say, go and bring police report, go and bring this thing, go and bring that. But in advanced country like abroad, once something happens, they get your data in the system. They will click it, all your system will come out.
Exactly.
Then they will inspect the car, and they will just come in 3 days. They'll bring new car for you. They will ask you, do you like this stuff? But in Nigeria issue, it's not like that. So even if we go around and interview common Nigerians, common men in the country, they will tell you the same thing I'm saying so. So we are not yet to mature. To me, insurance of things, I don't really like it in Nigeria. So if people can adjust, it will be better. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Philip, thank you. But, I want to say that I don't totally agree with you. And the reason be say, you don't talk and say, the system for abroad, it is very, very advanced. Yes. If anybody commits anything, say,
database.
You even miss, you even pass traffic light alone.
They're not even stressed.
Nobody will be running after you or anything.
The day when that thing happened to me for Canada, where I passed.
You don't wake up. You woke up.
They don't even chase me. I didn't say they go chase me. I just say, woo, park your motor. Park your motor.
Yeah,
please.
No, or you even get, once they have captured everything,
They don't even need just your number.
You just get home and you just realize
they will knock on your door because they have your details.
Or even they will just, what's it called? Just of everything, put it in an envelope, you get it in your...
Yeah, I got it
straight up.
Too. Yes, I got it.
So you cannot...
Right.
They didn't stop you again on the road. Now you came to the house.
That time they say, I got it at
So it's not as if it doesn't happen in Nigeria. Everything, the system in Nigeria is not yet as it should be.
We are developing.
We are developing, thank
That's
you.
Just the database aspect.
So that database day in place. For this place, where data, you don't get the data. You yourself, once you don't want
card and everything.
Because there, once you press something, you put somebody number, everything come up. For this place, you don't get anything like that. Now you yourself still go come, they bring your documentation. See, insurance don't day even before independence for Nigeria. Yes. Although now all these foreign insurance companies they for that time, but after independence, all these our own companies they come up, and things they change. Ignorance is not excuse. But because you do not know, because Nigerians, the everyday man does not know, does not change the fact say
they make you
and they work. That's not the thing. For wealthy people, wealthy organization, that is how they leverage. They do this insurance to cover themselves. Like this, Mr. Michael, where we talk about.
If they talk about, they said companies that they do insurance, they do it to cover themselves as a company, or even their staffs they involve
both
with insurance.
ways. It depends on the kind of insurance.
You know why I'm saying this? Because I get a colleague of mine. He used to work with a radio station. One of those days, he'd be there on air, and there was an explosion. So he'd been affecting sites, and they allowed him for like a couple of months, but later they had to just tell him, okay, fine, since we go ask put your hand for where console day and all of that, you cannot produce on your own. They had to let him go. And that happened while he was in the studio. That's why I'm asking that if indeed there is an insurance where they cover the staff for that kind of thing, can he sue the company? Since he was on duty when that one happened.
Yes, it can, because for some insurance, for instance, this group life insurance where we talk about, the company suppose have group insurance for the people where they work for them.
Okay.
In events that such things happen. So that's the thing where we talk for Mr. Philip now, because people don't know. If we, ignorance of the law no be excuse. If you don't know your rights, somebody go just trample upon you and just go like that. But if you know your rights, thank God for WAP TV, where they do this kind
just
of
keep watching WAP TV.
And
the way know am because
where they inform us, because now you don't know.
Life is somehow easy, with all of these things. Seriously.
For abroad, when they talk about advanced country, everybody know your rights. Everybody knows, say, look, I dey entitled for insurance. For schools now, they're supposed to also, they're supposed to cover those children. Insurance for them. So that like all this HMO, in case anything happens to these children, you take them to the clinic before you call their parents. All these things. That is why if anything happened, maybe for the advanced country where they talk about somebody for negligence, immediately say, look, you are liable. But now here, people don't know their rights. They don't know their rights for law. They don't know what they're supposed to do all these kind things. But if they're there,
and we need to have a change of mindset.
Yes.
thank you.
We need to have a change of mindset because as it is now, Mr. Philip now, he don't already condemn man. He don't for in mind. He believes say no fit work. So it starts from us. Yes, we need to orientate ourselves. So that goes a long way. Okay, were we able to finish? Okay, so obviously we are going to continue again next week.
Yes.
More like. Okay,
So, yes,
to
maybe.
let you go now.
Yes.
All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please tell someone to tell somebody. Insurance they work. I'll be right back.
It's good.
And it's good. Very good, very encouraging.